Today, we're taking a closer look at the Weed Puller tool by Moom, a hand-forged, ergonomically designed tool that's perfect for small gardening jobs. With a length of 11 inches and a weight of just 1 pound, this tool is lightweight yet sturdy, making it an excellent choice for digging, edging, and planting both indoors and outdoors. Its unique red wooden handle not only adds a touch of elegance, but also provides a comfortable grip, ensuring that your gardening tasks are done with ease and precision. The thoughtful design allows for effortless maneuverability, whether you're weeding out pesky plants or shaping your garden beds. Although this tool is handmade, which may lead to slight size variations and occasional rust on the tip, these are minor aspects that do not affect its performance. Overall, this Weed Puller tool combines functionality with style, making it a valuable addition to any gardener's toolkit. If you're in the market for a reliable and aesthetically pleasing hand tool, this one certainly stands out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.